It doesn't matter if you are running a small business or a large corporation, all you seek is a unique and exclusive brand identity. Graphic designing as a form of visual communication helps you build such an identity. It boosts your brand image by offering unique and creative designs for your logo, websites, or mobile applications. Graphic designing helps you create various marketing materials for your businesses, including business cards, brochures, banners, leaflets, etc. With professional graphic designers' help, you can also create exclusive designs for social media pages and mobile apps and thereby promote your brand. However, graphic design is not just for beautification. It has more profound implications than that. It enhances all your marketing and advertising efforts by manifolds. It has the potential to inform, educate, and persuade people in such a way that they may turn into your potential customers. Following are some of the key benefits that underline the importance of graphic design for your businesses. 1. To assign professional value. Your brand acquires a professional image once you equip your brand with a unique logo, images, and suitable graphics. By utilizing these elements in your marketing materials, website, and social media handles, you assign professional value to your brand. It also represents the consistency and uniformity of your brand. And then it becomes easier for your target audience to recognize your brand in the crowd of 100 other brands. 2. To gain visual identity. One of the major benefits of graphic design is that it provides visual identity to your brand. A visual identity is an expression of a company's values and objectives. Moreover, when you start using the company's logo in various business communication mediums like stationery, brochures, ads, or websites, you tend to build a strong brand identity. However, an effective graphic design provides an immediate connection between your brand value and the products or services you offer. 3. To communicate ideas effectively. Imagine a creative, beautifully designed, and informative graphic on the one hand and a wordy para on the other hand. Which one would be more appealing and effective in communicating desired ideas and information? Graphic designs provide a visual representation of ideas and information that makes communication more appealing. You can opt for professionally designed graphics to help you communicate the brand message in a positive and subtle way. 4. To develop trust and goodwill. With suitable graphic design, you build a professional brand image. But what is the deal with the professionalism here? The professional brand image helps you build trust and goodwill about your brand among the customers. Once you develop trust, it becomes very easy for you to persuade the customers about your products and services' quality. Most of the established brands are able to flourish in the long run because they could develop substantial goodwill over the years. With proper graphic designing tools and practices, you can also build such goodwill. 5. To enable higher conversions. One of the most profound benefits of graphic design is that it provides higher visibility, resulting in higher conversion rates. If your graphic design is creative and appealing, you can persuade customers to visit your website or store. Thereby, chances of them buying your products or services increases, which help you improve your sales. Concluding thoughts. Graphic designs as a medium of visual communication hold the great potential to communicate the brand message and create an impact through it. Graphic designs occupy space in the heart of your branding strategy. The visual elements not simply improve appearance but build the trust and credibility around your brand. Thus, it can shape your brand identity and thereby create a long-lasting impact among customers. Thus, you must invest in appropriate graphic designing tools and boost the brand image. A Bill Must Production.